In this video, we're going to be designing sublimation ready mason jars. I have a Creative Fabrica All Access account, so I went in and I downloaded a bunch of images that I thought would look very good on these mason jars with covers. And so I got this ready. I did an 8.5 by 14 sheet, and I've got 6 images on here. You are going to need a sublimation printer with sublimation ink, and I use sublimation paper. I used HTV Ront 125 for this, and be sure to mirror your images. If you search in my other videos on this channel, you will see how I do my designing. These are the Sublimation Ready 15-ounce frosted mason jar mugs that I got with lids and straws, and they are so cute. Here are a few more things that you're going to need. You're going to need a scissors. I hand cut my images out. I use coffee filters to clean the lint off of my blanks, and you're also going to need some heat-resistant tape. And I am using a Cricut mug press for these. This is not a tumbler press, it is a Cricut mug heat press. And because of the size of these mason jars, they're a little too small for this to press tightly. So I'm using a silicone sheet, and I want you to remember that this silicone sheet gets very, very hot too. So please wear protective gloves. I will have a link to these items below. When you're measuring for your designing, please be sure to stay away from the curved edges. I'm not going to be using shrink sleeves on these, and so I am only going to be doing sublimation on the flat area. And then also you can see as I'm taping this image down, I am not going all the way to the handle. Because of the size of these, it is going to be easier for me to get these in the mug press and to get enough heat and pressure that I need with that silicone wrap to stay a bit back from the handle. So you're going to preheat your mug press. You're going to turn it on until it gets up to the temperature. The nice thing about a Cricut mug press is it does its own temperature. So what I do is I just waited for the light to turn green. Then I wrapped the silicone sheet around the glass mason jar, and then I put it into the mug press to get a tight fit. And as you can see here, the whole image is below the blue silicone sheet. And I pressed this for one full cycle, and then I started it again and pressed for 60 to 90 seconds more. The Cricut mug press will probably not do a full cycle again because it's too hot. It isn't made for doing these kind of glass jars, and so it doesn't really know how to run that second cycle. So what I have found is running it through one full cycle and then 60 to 90 seconds more. And when you're looking down inside of the glass jar, you can see the image getting more and more vivid, so you'll be able to tell between those 60 and 90 seconds when it's time to stop. It's always so fun to have that first peek at the reveal. Be sure not to use tools. This frosted glass will scratch, and remember, it's extremely hot. So when you take it out, be very careful. I am very happy with the results. They turned out very good. The trick with these is to make sure that you have a dark enough color that's going to be seen on this frosted glass and something that will blend in nicely with the color as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see other videos that I have. And there will be links below in the descriptions for items that I've used in this video. Have a great day.